Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play MLB The Show for beginners. We'll start by covering the essential controls for hitting, pitching, and fielding. You'll learn about different hitting approaches, like contact versus power swings, and explore various pitching interfaces to find what suits you best. We'll also touch upon the most accessible game modes, helping you jump right into the action and begin your journey on the diamond. Hitting is a core skill in MLB The Show, and it all starts with timing. Pay close attention to the pitcher's wind-up and the ball's trajectory to make solid contact. Utilize the plate coverage indicator, or PCI, to position your bat effectively. Experiment with contact swings for singles and power swings for extra base hits, adapting to the situation with each at-bat. On the mound, strategy is key. Beginners often find the meter or classic pitching interfaces easier to learn. Focus on mixing up your pitch's fastballs, curveballs, and sliders to keep hitters off balance. Pay attention to your pitcher's stamina and confidence, as these impact pitch effectiveness. Understanding batter tendencies will help you exploit their weaknesses and secure more strikeouts. Fielding and base running are crucial for winning games. Position your fielders strategically and anticipate where the ball might go. When a ball is hit, quickly get the ball to the cutoff man to prevent runners from advancing. On the bases, learn when to steal and when to hold. Smart base running can turn singles into doubles and put pressure on the opposing team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.